Hey, welcome back. This is Kenneth. Today I'm going to show you the video 5 about our scaling strategy. Before anything else, I would like to say that we have this is our objectives is to double the revenue of a winning campaign, creating a lookalike audience, creating custom audience on a specific product, and a strategic ad planning and how we're going to use that and just hone on that winning product. Now we have tools that we need. We need a custom audience in order for us to create our lookalike audience and custom audience. Second is a Facebook pixel helper in order for us to grab the unique IDs and grab that and just hone on that in order for us to just target a specific product. And third is based on the analytics and reports if it's something that we're scaling for and it's been producing consistently on it produces consistently on revenue. All right, and we have our link of our product that we're going to do a sample. But before anything else, I would like to show why is this product, right? Because we're going to do it based on the stats available on Shopify and Facebook ads. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started. So first is I want to go to home page. Okay, and this is our homepage. This is a Sure Boutique store, and it's been quite recently producing a consistent $1,000 a day. And what we're trying to do is trying to check the winning products that what we have right now, and let's create a another audience for it, and just target the specific. I mean, just target the buyers. That's it. We want to go for the buyers, right? Those people who actually has a buying behavior. So let's get started. So we go to reports first. Gross sales by product. All right. So home reports, gross sale by products, title, and we just want to check it for this month, right? Because we actually start getting 1,000 a day started on May 4th, right? And then it's been May 10 now. So okay, so the past 10 days we've been consistently selling stuff, right? And then one of the product actually is actually this one is the Wolfheart women's t-shirt, right? Which is actually this one, right? So it's winning. It's a winning product, and let's check how it looks like on the Facebook side. Okay, so let's go here, and the keyword was Wolfheart shirt before first. So you gotta be on your business ad manager, Sure Boutique, and then the and you see all the ads here. So this actually set up based on keywords. So we're just gonna type down. So if you're confused and there's a lot of them, you can just say Wolfheart shirt. It's there. And then we just need to click search, right? And then Wolfheart. It doesn't need to be specific, just put Wolfheart because that's the phrase and that's a keyword, and there it is. And just click in the tab here and then press view so you can just like focus on that campaign, right? Alright, and these are the campaigns that have been running right now. Now what we need to do is, before anything else, we would like to set up the date first on starting from this month, because that was like May 1st to 10th, right? So we see how much we spent so far. Okay, all right. So after that, we're gonna click the columns. There's a pre-built reports already that I made in order for you to see which one are actually winning. So there's two: conversion report and engagement report. Conversion report is all about the conversions, how much we spend. I'll show you here. So how much we spent on ads, and how much did we made on each ad set that we created, right? So it shows here that we actually made 20 purchases, right? This ad set right here, it's a separate ad set, so we spent 185. Okay, made 20 per. We need 20 sales. Our cost per purchase is $9.25, and we made $619 for that. So this shows that it is very consistent when it's sales, right? It's been very consistent. So what we need to do is just take a look at it inside. who are we targeting, and who are these people? So California Wool Center, Endangered Wool Center, Mexican Gray Wolves, on all this kind of stuff, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's say we have that already. So we have this winning campaign, right? What we could do here is there's two ways you could do scaling with this. Is first is what you could do is just duplicate it, right? Create similar ad set, add copy, and then duplicate, and then scale it up to $20 a day, because you know it's winning, right? I won't touch the campaign itself. I just leave it as it is, because when it's not broken, you know, you don't need to fix it if it's not broken, right? So let it run, and I'll just scale it up to $20, and then same targeting, same interest. I won't touch anything. I'm just increasing its budget because it's converting. And then why do you need to duplicate? I mean, it has the same interest and same audience. Would you be wasting your money? No. Facebook does this. It actually reaches out the rest of the audience that hasn't been tapped yet, right? So basically, you're building two ads. The one has $5 that has been reaching just a couple of people, and this one is actually reaching out for the rest of the target that hasn't been reached yet, right? So basically, it's targeting different people, not the same people, right? And that's how you're gonna maximize it, and that's how you're gonna do it, right? So let's see, where is that duplicate? And there you go. So this is duplicated. This will be run tomorrow morning. So make sure it's same thing. Run it next day morning, in order to Facebook to read, give it a nice analytic report, and that's pretty much it, right? So what I did is let's review again. Create similar ad set, right? Edit, and what you need to do is just put a duplicate or scale, right? $20. Add to cart conversion. Never touch the conversion pixels unless you have made sales already, and then you can move forward with duplicate. But I want to keep it simple for now, just to understand how to actually scale. And that's just one basic way to do it, right? And then same thing, don't touch, just set the day, next day, 3 a.m., end of the month. Don't touch anything here, leave it as it is, and save and continue, and boom, that's it, you're good to go. Now that is the basic one, okay? That is the most very basic to actually scale. Now what I'm gonna do next is, how can we scale, right? Let's, for example, we have limited audience, and this audience alone is all we have, and no matter how hard we try and look for other audience, it's just not enough available out there. Now I'm gonna teach you an advanced strategy which other marketers doesn't teach you, okay? So what we're gonna do is, first we need to go to actually your pixels, okay? So go to tools, right? Click pixels. It's not loading, give me a second. Okay, go to pixels, and so we are here in pixels right now. So basically this is your bread and butter. The money you spend on ads is not wasted, because you're actually feeding Facebook data. So data means that these are the data of your potential customers, and you can even specifically get those specific buyers, right, out of this pixels, and I'm going to teach you how you do it. So there are 4 tabs here. There's events, URLs, domains, and devices. So in order for me to specifically target the winning product we have, which is shows in this video here, shows a video here, there's Wolfheart, we can just take the specific audience out of this, right? Those people who actually win ads and they see this and they buy it now, we want those people, right? Like, we want those people who actually paid attention to this, because they have bought or they're interested to this product. Okay, so we're gonna target those people. So first we're gonna know what URL is it, right? What URL is it? It shows here that these are the list of URLs that are getting traffic. So for the past the past 14 days, this is how much traffic you get in each of this URL, right? These are specifically just targeted to each one of the products that is that you are promoting. So let's look at that URL right there. So it is, go to product, and then you see Wolf Heart women's shirt. So let's look for that. There you go. So you have 1,700 unique visitors for just specific of this product. So let's take that. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna use this, and I just put it there. As you can see, same thing, right? And that's the reason why I put it there. And we're gonna use that specific product, and let's create a lookalike audience out of that, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do next now is we're gonna go to create audience, right? You click that and create audience, and then what you need to do is website traffic right here. We go to custom combination. Okay, don't forget custom combination, click that, and now this is the Facebook just recently launched this. It helps a lot for e-commerce owners because you can actually specifically target the unique visitors that you're getting into your website. So basically, if you have, let's say, people actually visited 5 times on your store for the last 30 days, we can target those people, because those are people that keep coming back because they love your product, or you have great content that you share, right? We can even do 10 times, but I want to keep it simple for now. It's not necessary to go crazy with this, because if you go crazy, you get confused and you never get things done. All right, so first is we're gonna go to URL, right? And remember that URL that we picked, right? Because this is a winning product and we saw that there's a sales comes in. So we can just copy that, right? Copy. There you go. And then minimize and then paste it there. And there you go. That is your product that you want to target. So what you're trying to tell Facebook that, hey, Facebook, I want you to create me an audience out of this product link, right? And we saw there's 1,700 and we want to take those people, right? And we will separate them, and I'll tell you the reason why. So we're gonna exclude the people, right? Because again, we don't want to target people who actually bought the product already, right? We want to target those people that who did not bought the product, right? Because there's 2 purposes for that. One is to expand our audience that has the same behavior that like this product, and 2 is we can actually use this audience to retarget them again, to remind them, hey, you visited our site, please come back again and purchase the product, right? So we want to exclude people who actually purchase the product, right? Purchase. So this would tell us right now, as you can see, that you tell Facebook, hey, I want people who actually click on this link because they're interested in my product, obviously. Second, I want you to exclude the people who purchase this product, because I don't want to promote them again, because I'm just trying to promote to those people who actually bought already, right? So I just want to focus on people who did not bought, because they're more likely to buy the product, right? So that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna teach you another advanced strategy just to focus on specific purchase that these people bought, right? And then we're gonna go to our product page, right? Again, and we're gonna go for Pixel Helper, like Facebook Pixel Helper, right? And then what you need to do is just go to view content, not that one, this view content right here, right? It doesn't necessary if it's green or red, it's still gonna be recorded, right? It's just like didn't match up because of the product feed. Anyway, that's out of topic. So what we need to do is just grab the content ID right there. That is its unique ID of this product, right? This is unique ID. So basically, it's a similar to SKUs, right? SKUs, when you go to Walmart, they have their own barcodes and they have your unique codes. And when you scan it, it identifies its own as, let's say, a T-shirt of this and this and that. So same thing to this. This is the SKUs of this product based on the Facebook pixel, right? So we're gonna grab that and go back to our Facebook, right? And then purchase, right? And we put content ID. As you see, it was content ID that it says there. I'll show you, right? It shows you the ID, right? Content ID. So you want to be consistent with that and just need to copy that. So copy again. So Facebook pixel, content ID, copy, and then you need to go back to your Facebook, right? And then you go to exclude people, right? Events, and then you go for purchase, and then content IDs, and then paste, right? And that's it. That's pretty much it. And what you need to do is just put a unique code on that says keep the same keyword just to make sure that you identify, and then put a date when you build it so it can still stay relevant. Wolf Heart women shirt, right? And then what you need to do is create an audience, right? That's what you do, create an audience. And what you need to do, where did it go, Kenneth? So again, you need to do audience. So again, after that, you're gonna go audience, click the audience, and just wait for it until it's done. For just let it say example that it is already built, right? Yeah. So let's just say example that it's already built, right? You have enough audience already that target this audience, right? Also Wolfheart. There should be a Wolfheart here. Yeah. For example, this is the for example, it's still audience. It will take a while, an hour or two or day, depends on how fast do you get traffic for those specific URL. But now let's say this is it. Let's say the Adventure Wolf shirt, right? That is the one that we just actually create a lookalike audience. You can create a lookalike audience if it's 100 above. If it's less, no, you can't. So you just gotta wait for it until you reach 100, right? So for example, this is it now. It's ready. What we need to do is we just need to click that link, tick that here. Press lookalike audience, and the source is Adventure Wolf, and there you go, specific URL. Yeah, that's a tag code, so you could identify that it was just specifically just for that specific product, right? United States, and we just need an lookalike audience of 1%, right? And there's 10%, right? Don't go crazy, like don't go 10 right away, 9, 8, 7, go. Just test 1% if there's conversions, and then move over to 2, because sometimes people go crazy right away, right? Oh, we created a lookalike audience for that. Okay, let me go 2%. This is already created, and there you go. And let's say we created 1%, and there you go. This is our 1%. Now we have a audience, okay, that has the behavior that will click the product page, which is this, right? And we can actually run ads with this, right? Remember the first ad that we have a winning ad that we duplicate and scale? I'll show it to you. Sure, boutique. Reports, conversions for this month. And then what you need to do is just click that thing and edit, right? So you're telling me then you have 1400, I mean So is that 140,000 audience, right? And you don't have any more choice because you need to look for interest and all this kind of stuff, right? Because you already tapped the market and people actually seen it already. Now what you need to do is just to expand this is you need to create a lookalike audience, and now you're specifically looking for people that has the behavior that would more likely to click on this link and buy this product. And that's what Facebook doing right now. They're trying to find people that has the behavior of clicking the link and buying this product, right? Because we used to be interest of a specific wolves now, and that's a limited audience because you might run out. Now Facebook, what it's trying to do is, like for example, I like wolf, but I didn't like the pages, like I didn't even engage or any of this kind of stuff. However, I have the behavior on Facebook that I would be more likely interested on wolves, right? So you get the point. So that's what trying Facebook to do right now, and that's what it's trying to do to create a lookalike audience. And that's how we're gonna use this in order for you to scale, because it has better reach and wider audience, right? So what you need to do is, for example, you want to create an ad using that, and what you need to do is just click this and then create a duplicate, right? And then what you need to do is just change okay, so again, click that, similar interest, edit. So you just need to duplicate the ad because you're trying to add a new interest. So let's just take that off and name it as a 1% lookalike. Or lookalike audience, right? And what we need to do is keep the same thing, ad set conversion, set it up to $5 because this is a new interest that we're trying to test, right? That's a lookalike. End of the month. And now, instead of using this, we're just gonna close that everything because we just want to target the specific custom audience we have. Now we're gonna search for the specific audience that we had. And there you go. So there's two here. This custom audience, which is that had 200 people. These are actually the specific people that visited your website for the past 30 days. And the second, this is the lookalike audience, that what we made that came out of this, right? So we have 1.986. So we're gonna click that. There you go. And look at your audience right now. You have 260,000 people that more likely would click the link and buy the product. And that's how you're gonna scale it, right? Same thing, because these are your winning audience. Don't touch anything if it's not broken, right? Mobile newsfeed, and that's pretty much it. Just save and continue, right? And that's it. That's how you make an audience. So you have a new fresh audience that you're gonna target, and it came from the behavior from this product for those people who actually click the link and purchase this product. So that's how you're gonna scale it, and you're just gonna need to wait for the reports on how it's gonna respond, right? And then once you get results, like one sale or two sale per day, and then you're gonna do the same method of what I teach, that you need to duplicate it and increase the budget to $20 a day, right? And that's how you do the scaling. So how I did it again is basically what I did is just click this, create similar ad, right? Because you want them in the same category, and what you need to do is just change the name. So in order for you to identify which what's the keyword of it, so lookalike 1%, because you know that was lookalike 1%, and then custom audience. Wolf adventure. Nothing changed here, just need to be changed the next day morning, 3 a.m. And what you need to do is just take this all interest out because it's been used, right? And people seen the ad over and over again. That's why they're not responding anymore, or they're not buying anymore, because the audience had been saturated with the ads. So wolf, and now you need to look for those people who has the same buying behavior. Adventure wolf. Adventure Wolf, and now we did 1%. Now let's do 2%. It was just a sample, right? And now you have 510 audience, right? Can you imagine? Like, wow, I can imagine that there's like 580 that has who lives in the city within this age range, or women, and they are more likely engage and love the shirt, wool shirt, specifically just for that shirt. And then you just press save and continue, and that's it. All right, so I hope you learned something. So we covered everything. So that was a winning way to double our revenue, because when it's a winning campaign is already winning and it's produces sales, you just need to duplicate it and increase the budget in order for it to bring in more sales. Once it's been saturated with the ads, and you need to create a lookalike audience out of it using custom audience for the specific product, and you just need to be strategic on how you're going to do the planning of the ads, which I showed you earlier. Again, you need custom audience, which I showed you earlier, Facebook Pixel Helper to grab the content ID, and you need to check the analytics and reports in order for you to identify if this product is worth scaling for, right? Because you don't want to spend on money that actually didn't bring sales. You want to scale the product that actually produces sales and has been consistent for the past few days, right? Especially this month. And you see the conversions here. Like, for example, this one is a winning product, so we need to scale it, which is we did, and then that's how you do it. So I hope you learned out of this. Please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you have any confusions, just send me a message, and I'll help you as best as I can to answer all of your questions. All right. So again, after this video 5, we're gonna do retargeting for our video 6. That's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye.